shit happened today. Broken. Okay, so go to AutoZone, get a new one to replace it. Take this out. Take this broken part out. Easy. You use this. See? Okay, you need this lift. Then you need to unscrew those things. Take the tire off. Okay. So now you need to remove caliper. There's 2 screws right there. I think it's 11/16. 11/16. This one, and down there, there's a one right there. So remove these 2 screws and take this away. All right. So now the caliper and this whole thing is come off, but I just put this thing to hold it right there. There you go. So now you need to remove this part. You need to use some thin force hammer. This thing, just to put it right there. Hammer. That's it. Now it's come off. There you go. You see the part? You have to push the part, but it's not easy. So you have to use some tool to do that. And I'm going to use easy thing. Okay, very easy. See the part right there? That's I'm going to use that thing, and I'm going to use this thing. Yeah, that's it. And then you put this here. There you go, and then you keep pushing it until this part go inside. This part go inside. Okay, there you go. That's it. To tie this thing, and I need this thing. I need to put it right there, and so when you tighten it, it can force that it's easier to tighten it. And so I use another thing, just hold it right there. The caliper and you know that shit right there. Alright, so this part right here is go inside already. So that's it. And then you need to unscrew the thing. Alright, I'm gonna choose